Welcome to the GAiM Plan Podcast, the show that helps you grow wealth, create passive income, and achieve your financial goals faster. I'm Damodhar Mata, author, blogger, and financial advisor in Dubai. This is weekly market update as of 27th November 2021. Tune in every week for news, views, and market moves. Subscribe on YouTube, Apple, or Google Podcasts, or on your favorite podcast app. The title of today's episode is The Strain of Strains. Investors in the US woke up from the Turkey Coma to the news of a new COVID-19 strain in South Africa. With itchy trigger fingers, they clicked the sell button without much thought, sending the markets down sharply. The markets fell from new highs amid renewed fears of travel and social restrictions as investors fled to safe havens like gold and treasury notes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down by 2%, and the S&P 500 fell 2.2%, and the Nasdaq was down by 3.5%. Earlier in the week, President Biden reappointed Jerome Powell as the Fed chair, and Lyle Brainard would be his deputy. Moving on to Europe. Shares in Europe also fell sharply as social and travel restrictions were introduced in response to surging infections and the discovery of the new variant. The Eurostock index was down by more than 4%, and the individual country indices were also down sharply. Moving further east into China and India. Chinese markets were down marginally as the CSI index was down by 0.6% and the Shanghai Composite Index was flat. India. Indian equities also fell sharply due to weak global cues, sustained FII selling, and the new variant threat. The Sensex was down by 4.24% and the Nifty was down by 4.16%. Earlier in the week, Reliance share prices tumbled as RIL and Saudi Aramco are set to reevaluate the proposed investment by Aramco in the oil-to-chemical business. There was also some positive news as SBI Research upgraded India's GDP growth projection for the year ending 31st March 2022 to the range of 9.3% to 9.6% from its earlier projection of 8.5% to 9%. Outlook. With the markets reaching new highs every week, a sharp sell-off like Friday was already due. The news of the new strain was just the excuse the bears were waiting for to sell. However, the fundamentals are still strong to warrant a rebound, and a year-end rally is not unlikely. This correction is probably the opportunity long-term investors were waiting to buy. However, investors can expect more volatility over the next few weeks as more information about the new variant emerges. A balanced portfolio of stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate, cash, and a tiny amount of cryptocurrency is the best antidote to mitigate the expected volatility. This was weekly market update as of 27th November 2021. I hope you found it valuable and engaging. Thank you for listening to the GAiM Plan Podcast, the show that helps you grow wealth, create passive income, and achieve your financial goals faster. Tune in every week for news, views, and market moves. Subscribe on YouTube, Apple, or Google Podcasts, or on your favorite podcast app. I'm your host Damodhar Mata. Until next week, stay safe and stay invested.